What's going on, guys? Today we got this 2025 Nissan Rogue, and I'm just going to be showing you how to set up the memory seats and mirrors. So first thing when you get into the vehicle is just push that push button start. You don't need to have your foot on the brake, just turn the car in ignition mode and you should be good. From there, if you look on your driver's side door panel, you will see your three important buttons for this. So your set, your position 1, and your position 2. So I already have these ones set up, so I will just show you. When I press position 1 here, the mirror moves like that, and the seat will move back like that. When I press position 2, it moves forward, and the mirror moves forward as well. So now let me show you guys how to set it up. So setting this up for yourself is pretty easy, guys, and I'll show you how. So basically all you have to do is set the seat exactly where you want it. I'll move mine all the way back here, and then I will also go and adjust this all the way back in like that. From here, look at your set and your memory 1 and memory 2 buttons. All you have to do is press the set and then press whichever seat you want it to be saved at. So I'll press it at 2 here. And that's it. That's all it takes. Do you see? Look, memory 1, moving it back out. Memory 2, moving me back. And that's it, guys. It's really that easy. This should be the same in all Nissan Rogues, as we have the base model here, but it will also be the same in all Nissan Sentras, all Nissan Muranos, and all Nissan Pathfinders as well. Thank you so much.